Dear learners of class 5, you are welcome to online English class held in Bangabandhu Vidya Niketan. How are you, my students? I wish you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. Today's lesson is to taken from Unit 1, Lesson 1 from your English for Today book. Take your book, English for Today, open at page 2. Students, open at page 2. We are going to discuss this lesson. Look at the board. Here is a dialogue between Seema and Jessica. They are talking about themselves. First, we will read the conversation. Seema: hello, may I introduce myself? I am Seema. Jessica: hi, I am Jessica. Seema: where are you going, Jessica? Jessica: I am going to Chattogram. I am on holiday with my father. Seema: really? Where are you from? Jessica: I am from the United Kingdom. Are you from Dhaka? Seema: no, I am from Sylhet. That's where we are going. Our train is leaving in 10 minutes. Jessica: have a good journey. Seema: thank you. Nice meeting you, Jessica. Have fun in Chattogram. Jessica: thanks. Nice meeting you too, Seema. Let's discuss. Here is a conversation between two girls. One is Seema, another is Jessica. Seema is talking to Jessica about themselves at the railway station. Seema first introduced herself and then asked Jessica where she has come from. Jessica answered that she came from United Kingdom. Seema has come from Sylhet. She is going to Sylhet with her father. Jessica is on holiday. She has come with her father to spend her holiday in Chattogram. Now come to the question. Open at page 3. You can see here there are 7 questions. Now we will solve the questions. Ask and answer the questions. Number 1. Where is Jessica going? Answer. Now we will find the answer from the text. I am from Sylhet. Jessica is, I am going to Chattogram. I am on holiday with my father. So we can write the answers. Jessica is going to Chattogram. Where is Jessica going? Jessica is going to Chattogram. Number 2. Why is Jessica going there? We can find that Jessica is going there to spend her holiday Jessica is going there to spend her holiday. Why is Jessica going there? Jessica is going there to spend her holiday. Number 3. Where is Jessica from? Where is Jessica from? Now we will find the answer. Jessica is from the United Kingdom. Jessica is from the United Kingdom. Four. Is Sima from Dhaka? Answer. No. Sima is from Sylhet. Is Sima from Dhaka? No. Sima is from Sylhet. 5. Where is Sima going? Answer, Sima is going to Sylhet. Sima is going to Sylhet. When is Sima's train leaving? Sima's train is leaving in 10 minutes. Sima's train is leaving in 10 minutes. Number 7. Where are Sima and Jessica? Where are Sima and Jessica? Dear learners, can you think where they are staying?
Assalamualaikum. Dija. I'm 17 years. I'm the
Answer. Sima and Jessica are at the railway station. And thank you so much staying with me. Wishing you best of luck.